Keeping an eye on Storm Track Live. We've been doing so for the last 24 hours, especially because it's been active with that lake effect snow. We had one moderate snow band that set up, and it usually does so when the winds are out of the northwest, and it tracks on down through Allegan County, northern Kalamazoo County, right on the west side, and then Van Buren County, so over near Paw Paw and up near Bloomingdale, places like that. So because of that, we saw some locations overnight that received as much as 5.5 inches of snow. Some individual reports as much as 6 inches of snow, but most of us made out with less than 2 inches, so as expected. The last of the lake effect snow is moving on out, and we're just left with this cloudiness. We could see a few breaks in the clouds as we go through the day, but overall it's going to be cloudy today, tonight, and for the most part tomorrow too. We're going to start to see the wind calm down and also shift and come out of the south. So we've been kind of doing this dance. We get another system that comes in, turns the wind out of the north, drags down some lake effect, and then we get a reprieve when our winds come out of the south. That's what's coming towards us next, is that wind shift out of the south. That's going to help to bring us some warmer conditions for tomorrow, and technically it's going to help to keep our overnight lows a little warmer than average tonight. So tonight's low 26 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. You can see that cloud cover already prevalent upstream, getting ready to move in. So the clouds that we see overnight and in tomorrow are not going to be lake effect. They're actually tracking on through. You'll also notice that up near Minneapolis, we have a little bit of snow. That's called a Saskatchewan Screamer, as it originates in Canada, and it's going to be clipping on down very quickly overnight tonight. So this is your future cast. By 10 o'clock, we have some light snow that skirts on the north side of Grand Rapids, and really it's like Ludington, Big Rapids, Mount Pleasant that have the best chance of seeing accumulating snow, and north of that. South of that, we could see a spotty snow shower or two, but overall it's not going to be that big of a deal. Through the day on Saturday, we're going to have cloud cover, we're going to have breezy conditions, so it's going to be another chilly day, but it's not going to be quite as cold as today. Then as we bring in the new year, we start to see those clouds break almost right when the clock strikes midnight, which is kind of neat. New year, new weather pattern. And through the day on Sunday, we should see that sunshine. You can see that on your future cast. So 38 is our forecasted high for tomorrow, but it's going to feel cooler than that with the wind. And then right at midnight, looking like 27 degrees. If you're running outside to see some sort of outdoor activity, a kind of ball drop of your own, it should be fairly chilly. And then as we get into Sunday itself, a great day to start some resolutions with that sunshine welcoming you out the door. 37 for your high. Then Monday and Tuesday, we warm up again, just like last Monday. But the big difference is going to be that we don't get quite as warm. So it probably is going to roll in as a freezing rain mix, turning to all rain Monday and Tuesday. Through the day on Tuesday, we're going to see falling temperatures, and then the temperatures continue to plummet into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There's that cold air, potentially a high of 18 next Friday. We're going to see how that changes as the weather patterns kind of adjust themselves. But anyway you slice it, it's going to be cold next week.
That will help with our ice. I know so many people want to get out on the ice.
Start fishing.